Welcome once again. As part of our lesson 2.2, which I consider forward counting and backward counting in numbers. Forward counting in number. Forward counting is where the succeeding term is greater than the preceding term for a given or a chosen pair of numbers in the sequence. Succeeding term means that the term comes after another or is later than another, and preceding term means that the term comes before another or is earlier than another. For example, 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. In this sequence, considering the pair 5 and 8, 5 is the preceding, 8 is the succeeding, and 8 is greater than 5. Considering also the pair 8 and 11, 8 is the preceding, 11 is the succeeding, and 11 is greater than 8, and so on. So, this is an example of forward counting. Take another example. Let's say 11, 23, 35, 47, 59, and 71. In this sequence, considering the pair 11 and 23, 11 is the preceding, 23 is the succeeding, and 23 is greater than 11. In this pair, 23 and 35, 23 is the preceding term, and 35 is the succeeding term. 35 is greater than 23. So, it's another example of forward counting. In backward counting, the succeeding term is less than the preceding term for a chosen pair of numbers in the sequence. For example, again, 190, 170, 150, 130, 110. Considering the pair 190 and 170, you will notice that the succeeding 170 is less than the preceding 190. Considering this 170 and 150, you also notice that 150, the succeeding, is less than 170, the preceding. So this is another good example of backward counting. Let's take another one. 58, for example. Let's say 51. Let's say 44. Let's say 37. Let's say 30. Let's say 23. In this example, you will discover that the succeeding term 51 is less than the preceding term 58 in this pair 58 and 51, sorry. And also 44 is less than 51. 44 the succeeding term, 51 the preceding term in this pair 51 and 44, and so on. This is another example of backward counting. Thank you for your time.